Hello and welcome everybody. For this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a sticker sheet. First thing you got to do is you've got to pick your background for your sheet of stickers. And then I'm going to put a box, a square, or a rectangle behind it, exact same size. I'm going to use the alignment tool to align them so they're perfectly on top of each other. That is important. And then I'm going to set up my stickers to position them exactly where I want them on the sheet. Once I've gotten all of the stickers positioned, we attach it so all of them print on top of each other, just like this. We run it through the printer. We select the printer we're using. We select the type of paper that we are going to use. We select the quality that we want, and then the amount of copies that you want. Once you got all that set up, you hit OK and then hit print. We wait for the printer to print it out. Next thing we've got to do is take it over to the Cricut and cut it out. The reason why I wanted the background to have an extra square is because I'm putting it at a pressure where it will cut the top layer, but not the bottom layer for the stickers. So the stickers won't cut all the way through, leaving them on the sheet. And then it's going to use the same pressure, but cut around the square twice. So it cuts all the way through, leaving the sheet cut out from the rest of the paper and the stickers able to be used, but still on the sticker sheet, if that makes sense. I'm going to show you guys here what I mean. And that's what you got, the final product. You can do this with any style of stickers that you want. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like. If it found it helpful, let me know in the comments, and have an amazing day, everybody.